So here we have a MacBook Pro. As you can see, we're having a bit of some issues here with the battery. I'm not sure if this is dangerous or not, but I certainly don't want this thing in my house. So I've ordered a new battery, and I'm about to put that in there. Got the back off. It's you'll need these two little tools here. One is a star bit, and the other one is a sort of a cutesy little. I don't know. It's not any kind of a bit that I've seen before, but it's not a star. It's a Y bit. Pretty simple process. Looks like 3 screws, 1, 2, and 3. And I probably should have a static strap on, but I don't. And I'm just gonna try and remove this connector here with one hand. And there we go. Wasn't too hard at all. Alright, let's get this little thing in here. Okay, that's pretty straightforward. Looks like this should be able to just, there we go. Okay, that's not too hard. This little screwdriver here is magnetic, so oh, got it. I don't think they have to be crazy tight or anything. Anyways, that one's just... Okay. There are 3 screws that are longer than all the other ones, and I don't even have all the screws for this computer because most of them got ripped right out of the case with, you know, this thing being like that. So the long ones go back here because they have to reach all the way down past this sort of piece here. And yes, they've got to reach all the way down. And I believe this one over here is a long screw as well. It's got to reach all the way down there. But I'll get the back on and we'll see if she fires up. Alright, now we have it. She's up and running. There we go.